Alright guys, we found a Mustang right here. It's an orange Mustang on the road. I just wanted to get a little clip for y'all, but I guess he wants to race. So we're gonna be racing this f***ing Mustang right here in my new car, alright? Quick little 80. Because I don't even have my wallet. I don't got my ID. I should not be speeding, but I'm doing it for y'all. So do me a favor, man. Make sure you drop a like on this video. One more pull for y'all, alright? Little fly guy, alright? Remember, my name is Fly Guy. Oh, shikes. Oh, shit, ambulance. Oh, shit, alright. I think that's a sign, alright? That's a sign, guys. We need to stop and go back home, alright? Vroom! Bro, I know y'all heard that. I know y'all heard that. Hold up. Come here. Listen. Come here. Listen. You hear that? Other ear. You hear that? Bro, why is it so dark? You can't see me. All right, you know what? Good thing we have a sunroof in the new car. I think we press this button. And then I can open it. Here we go. Yo guys, this is the final review of the car. This is a Chrysler 300, all right? This is what we mobbing in, all right? This is what we flying in, the Fly Guy. But let me show y'all my favorite thing about this car. Actually, over here, the back seat. The back seat, all right? So my favorite thing about this car is the back seat, all right? We got a lot of space back here, you know? And if I close the door right here, it's kind of dark back here, you know? Another thing, if you look at those windows and you look at these windows are very tinted, even the back window. So if you know what I mean, this car is very good to do the deed. So now we'll go to the front door. These actually have these little Beats stereo system, you know what I'm saying? Let's turn it on real quick, like we just got in the whip. Boom, there's a 300. Yeah, man, so this is the new car that I actually got. I showed you guys the sunroof. I showed you guys the speakers. The car also has these little paddle shifters, you know, if you want to change the gears by yourself. It has these nice big leather seats and it has the S. The S stands for sexy. They're on both seats, so whoever sits in this car is sexy. But yo guys, on a serious note, this is actually my new car. Like, everything's under my name. This is my car. So I have the Mozzie and then I have the Fly Guy, all right? I really just came up with that name in this video, but I kind of like it, you know? My new name might be Fly Guy. Since I have my own car, my brother drives this car, and this is basically his car, you know what I'm saying? But it's actually my car. It's kind of our car. It's both of our cars. I don't know, but he drives it the most, and I'm actually very proud of him. You know, he's 17, getting to drive a V8, a faster car. I think it has like 300 or 400 horsepower, something like that. I really don't know too much. He's the one that did all the research, everything, you know. He knew he wanted this car. And actually, if you know anything about cars, my brother wants to swap the engine. If you don't know what that is, basically you get another engine, hopefully a faster engine or a better engine, and you put it into your car. All right, so and you get the old engine, you put it out. You can put a Hellcat engine in here, you can put a Demon, you can put whatever kind of engine you want in here. So I think that's what we're gonna do in the future. I don't know, you know, how long it's gonna take, maybe a year or two, I don't know, but let me know what y'all think, bro. The all red, I really like the all red. Like, that's what was the main thing we're looking for, was an all red Chrysler 300. It's very hard to find them, but yeah, we're gonna keep this car for a long time. We're gonna swap swap the engine. We're gonna do a bunch of stuff to it. We barely got the insurance on the car, so we're still trying to get everything for the car. But let me know what y'all think about Fly Guy. All right, guys, so my brother is driving the car up the hill, so and I wanted to get some shots so y'all can really see how the car looks, you know, while it's driving. I don't know if y'all can see him over there. Here he comes. Boom. All right, he's coming back. Damn, those things are bright. Damn, mean. But yo guys, this is a Chrysler 300. I think it's a 2017, 2018, all red. You know, the brakes do need to get fixed, I'm not gonna lie, but this thing looks mean. All red. It's a little dirty, but the paint is crazy, man. And my biggest thing, my brother's biggest thing was getting a V8. Remember I told you about that tint? Y'all not seeing inside. You can still kind of see Angel, but I think the first upgrade we're gonna do is the tires. Well, actually, I'm gonna let Angel tell you about the car, all right? I showed you what it looked like outside, and keep in mind I'm recording all these videos on my phone, so the quality is like iffy, and today it's freaking sunny and it's cold, and I don't know if it's gonna rain or not, whatever. We plan to do a lot of things to this car, all right? As y'all know, electric is, you know, the future. The future's here. We got electric cars. I think we even have flying cars now. I saw it somewhere on Twitter or something like that. We got flying cars now, which is crazy. And I'm not even a big car guy. I don't want to make it seem like I am. I know a little bit about cars, but ask me to change a tire and all that stuff, I don't do that, bro. I don't do that. You know, my face is too pretty. My hands are too soft to be doing all that. But we plan on doing something with this car. So, my brother, what is the first thing you're going to do to this car? Wheels. We're gonna put some new wheels. You know, you need big wheels to have traction to actually put down the power. I feel like that's a big thing. Rims, you're gonna get black rims, right? We're gonna do black rims. You know, it's a lot of little things, but I think the big thing, you know, I'm skipping to it just because it's crazy and not a lot of people even think about this. But what is the big thing we want to do?
Hellcat swap.
Hellcat swap. So you're officially like Hellcat swap.
Hellcat
so to do that, guys, you actually have to buy another donor car, put the engine in, but tell them like a little bit about how like it's easy because
you want to get the donor car because you need the seats, the freaking dash, you need the freaking steering wheel, you need the back seats, of course, the seat belt, all the side panels. You need everything.
But the cars are similar because they have the same frame, right?
Yeah, the same subframe.
They have the same subframe, so you can really like swap out everything. One of my favorite things is, you know, the freaking sunroof. So we're about to have a Hellcat with the sunroof, and it's like in a different car, you know. Like a big reason why I feel like we got the Chrysler 300 was because like you see Chargers everywhere, you see all the other kinds, all of them, but it's like still the same frame. So we got like a different body. My mom, a lot of people always call this like the gangster car, but I just think it looks a lot more meaner and stuff, you know. So, and then we got it in all red, which is freaking crazy. Nice paint, looks amazing. But yeah, if y'all know anything about Chrysler 300s or live in San Antonio, have any suggestions or whatever, let me know. This is the fastest car we got on the fleet right now. And it's about to get faster. And hopefully my goal is to get a new car next year. I don't know what car, but I do need to upgrade from the Mozzie. It was my first car, and you know, technically this is the second one. But I think we're gonna get a third one next year. That's the goal, man. God willing, we get a new one. But let me know what y'all think about the Chrysler 300. All right, guys, so we filled up on gas. Luckily tonight is cold as hell. I don't know why Texas got a little cold front. And if you don't know too much about cars love cold air, you know. It's like things get hot in there, so when you add cold stuff, it starts running better, you know. The highways seem pretty dead, so we're gonna click this button right here. Show it. We're gonna click this button right here, and it puts in a little flag right here. All right. The little flag means race. You're ready to race. I'm already going 75. It don't feel like it. That's one thing I'm kind of scared about, getting a faster car. It do not feel like you're going fast at all. But we're gonna look real quick, make sure there's no cops, and then we're gonna go zoom zoom.
Yeah.
Yo, tell me how fast I'm going, because I'm going to focus on the road.
110.
110?
111, 113, 120.
That's it? Oh, shit. How fast? 1? I can't see where the next car is.